Efficiently cleans and filters water. Easy to install using suction cups and/or hanging clips. Auto start pump requires no priming, automatically restarts if power is interrupted and restored. On average, change filter cartridge every 4 weeks. Carbon cartridge included for chemical filtration, removes odors and discoloration from water. Bioholster included to foster biological filtration which removes toxic ammonia and nitrites. Coarse Media Sponge included for mechanical filtration, removes particles and debris. Uses small Aqueon replacement cartridges. Fits aquarium size up to 10 gallons. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome little thing. I love this little filter. It's perfect for my 20 gallons halfway filled up. I use it for my frog tank as he is supposed to be in half water half land. He shares the tank with 2 snails and I would say I would have to do some manually cleaning with the net every week or so, and the water stays crystal clear. I work from home so it is important that my filter is quiet. The one I originally got with this tank from a secondhand seller website was a hang-on filter and it kept me up all night. This thing I barely hear and I can work in the same room as it taking calls. My favorite part are the suction cups it comes with. It's perfect for a half-filled tank.